a pipeline, आमकां थंयसर रिक्वायरमेंट कितें आसा तो मेळटा. What is the today's requirement? What would be another 10 years down the line projected requirement? Accordingly, we decide the size of the pipeline. आमकां आतां जर अकस्मात कोणी आयले आनी 100 फ्लॅट घाले किंवा 1000 बंगले बांदले जाल्यार वी आर नॉट प्रिपेर्ड फॉर दॅट. So for that purpose, every builder, every person who is intending to build a house or a complex, initially they are supposed to ask for water availability certificate and they continue that. If you finish your work and then come, probably we may not be able to give you. If we are not equipped with this kind of distribution system, we can refuse to give connections to them if they have not taken earlier the water availability certificate. So एका बरोबर 300 फ्लॅट आसा किंवा 40 फ्लॅट आसा, इट्स अ ह्यूज क्वांटम, बट वी गेट यानी मिटर एकूच जालो जाल्यार पसून आमकां तो रेवेन्यू कांय हें जायना.
Loss.
We don't lose on that.
So whatever amount of
Even
water
if
is
there are
there.
leakages in there every some of these flats, then we charge for that. But कितें आसा leakages we don't. आमी चार्ज करता म्हळ्यार कितें 4.5 रुपयान करता न्ही. ताचे जर लिकेजीस गेले जर जाय जाल्यार वी लूज ऑन एवरी युनीट मोर दॅन 20 रुपीज.
सो ह्या विशय कितें जाला न्हू, सगळे कडेन प्रोटेस्ट जावपाक लागलेले आहा विलेजींनी पळोवंक गेलो जाल्यार. वेदे से ह्यूज प्रोजेक्ट्स येता, उदकाचे मागीर प्रॉब्लम जाता. रेजिडेन्शियल अंडरस्टँडेबल, हिंगा 300 येता, 250 येता, 200 100 फ्लॅटां येता, ह्यूज क्वांटम ऑफ वॉटर वयतलो आनी मागीर लोकांक जांकां एक रेजिडेन्स तांकां उदक मेळना, उदक येयना नाल्यार 2 दिसांनी बरें. सो हाव आर यू लुकींग इन दीस इशू?
सी वी आर कमिंग अप विथ अनदर 300 ml of water. That will be there within no time. आनी 5-6 महिन्या भितर everything will be there. But even then, we are preparing for all such things which are. पूण एका बरोबर व्हडले प्रोजेक्ट आयले आनी वी हॅव नॉट कॅल्कुलेटेड द अमाउंट ऑफ रिक्वायरमेंट, then it is very difficult. We don't give connections to. There are so many complexes where we have not provided water. They are organizing tankers and all they are managing. आता खूबशे कडेन ते प्रायवेट टँकर घेता, आपले टाकी भरता आनी ताजे नंतर चालू करता. So it is not our responsibility when they don't take. We give availability certificate only when we are satisfied that we have quantum of water which can be supplied to them.
So provide.
एक फावटी आमी कॅल्कुलेट करतात how many, let us say in this area, in this particular village, आमकां एक अमके डायाची पायपलायन आसा, आमकां प्रेशर इतकं आसा, and right now we supply to them 10 hours. Still we have excess water here. Then we may give 100 flats of project येता. We calculate it and give.
So first that is the initial survey,
survey
and
before
everything
they
is done.
start the work of in complex.
Calculation everything is done.
They give us. आमचे कडेन उदक आसा जाल्यार आमी दितात, ना जाल्यार सांगता आमी you may have to wait for another treatment plant to come, then आमी दितले. So it is not our responsibility when we don't give them the availability certificate. No, I was just reviewing all the projects which were issued work orders earlier, and all those who have not completed the works on time. तांकां हांव एक आफोन हाडून रिव्यू घेता. तशेंच आयज एक आशिल्लें तें स्मार्ट वॉटर सप्लाय मॅनेजमेंट विथ IoT बेस्ड मॉनिटरींग एंड ऑपरेशन मॅनेजमेंट सिस्टम. हे कशें आसा, आमचे प्रेशर वाल्व जावं बाकीच्यो सगळ्यो गजाली आसा पळय त्यो सगळ्यो केल्यार आमकां डिटेक्ट करपाक मेळटा लिकेजीस खंय आसा. 3 वर्सां पयलीं एक कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट दिल्लो. So far they have not started. So I called the meeting and I called the PSUs and the contractor. तांकां आपोवन हाडून reason behind ते करपाक जाय. So I have ordered termination of all those works and again retender it and then start all fresh again. So I have directed them, if you don't start it within 15 days, the job, and if you are not going to complete it within another 6 months, if you are going to make up for the loss of time, then only you go ahead. So I have given them another 7 days to come back with the concrete schedule of the work when they are going to complete it. So if they come up, then probably we will finish off this system also. within 6 to 7 months time. If they don't report now, then the work will not go ahead. आणि तो मागीर परत एक फावटी आमी सरकाराची डिसिजन whether we really want it or not. So we will see. So all those, this process is that if anybody is, because we are facing election, and before that we want to establish ourselves as the systems that we have laid down are perfectly working. आनीक लोकांक 24 hours सुद्दां मेळटा, 16 hours मेळटा, कितें जालें तें आमकां दिवपा जाय. So for that purpose I am reviewing all the projects.
डिले कित्याक कारणा खातीर कितें रिजन सांगलें तेणी?
Delay is they engage several other subcontractors. They say that he is not, that is not our lookout. Why I should go after your subcontractors? That is what they have said. So I said, you will be blacklisted. You know, if you don't find good people to work with you, that is not our work. I have given them all together, because this is a big, good relief we would have got.
सो ताणी जेन्ना तांकां टेंडर कितें दिता तांकां एक अमावंट भरचो पडटा तो प्रॉफिट
I told him that. They have deposited bank guarantee of 2 crores. In another 4-5 days, before first, if they don't come with this, we will that will be forfeited. Not only that, whatever expenditure that we have made for engaging them, that will also be recovered.
So how will this project be helpful for the department, sir?
The department, it is IoT based, technical हें आसा. आमकां हांगा जेन्ना फ्लो मिटर बी घालता पळय न्ही, प्रेशर ते सगळें मॉनिटर करपाक मेळटा आनी आमकां लिकेजीस काडप. लिकेजीस कितले आसा ते एक्झॅक्ट क्वांटम ऑफ वॉटर, वेर दी वॉटर वी आर लुजींग. NRW कमी करपा खातीर ही सिस्टम. NRW म्हणल्यार नॉन रेवेन्यू वॉटर. Now, साधारण आमकां 40 to 42% of the water we don't get revenue out of it. To minimize that, the system needs to be put.
सो लिकेजी हितूंतल्यान तुमकां बऱ्यो
म्हणजे आमचे लिकेजीसच न्ही. इफ वॉटर थेफ्ट जाता जावं बाकीचें कितें जाता जाल्यार दॅट इज द सिस्टम. एक वाल्वांतल्यान, प्रेशर वाल्वांतल्यान उदक कितलें, वॉटर फ्लो मिटर्सांतल्यान कितलें गेलें, प्रेशर वाल्व कितलो आसा, आनी तातूंतल्यान आतां वॉटर फ्लो मिटरांतल्यान इतकें उदक गेल्लें आसा आनी बिलींग इतलें जाल्लें आसा. दिस इज अ शॉर्टेज. ओके, इन अ पर्टिक्युलर 1 किलोमिटर रेडियसान भितर आमकां इतकें उदक सोडलें, इतकें उदक आमी बील जालें जाल्यार लॉस आसा. सो कॉन्सन्ट्रेट देर एंड फायंड आउट वाय. इफ समबडी इज म्हणजे तें उदक चोरता आनी इलिगल कनेक्शन आसा ती काडपाक मेळटा आमकां.
सो हितूंतल्यान तुमकां भरपूर हें मेळटा,
रेवेन्यू परत एक फावटी मेळटलो आमकां.
ओके.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.